Hey guys, this is Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited because I'm going to be opening up the Little Mermaid Scentsy Warmer and smelling the, oh my gosh, Ariel Under the Sea. This was the original scent that they had came out with, the Scentsy bar. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm really excited because the Little Mermaid has made it into our catalog. We get the warmer and we get her bar, the Ariel bar Under the Sea. And I'm so excited because when it originally came out, you guys, I was on disability, which I'm still on disability, but I was in between paychecks and I couldn't get it. And I was so sad. I was like, oh my God, my future grandbaby. Meanwhile, my daughter's not pregnant. I'm talking about like my future grandbaby is going to need this warmer. And now it's in the catalog. So I got it. All right, you guys. So let's go ahead. We're going to smell the scent. Now, years ago when we very first got, Disney, we got the Princess Collection. And to be honest with you, this was the only one I liked. I didn't like the original scents. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Scentsy. I'm sorry I didn't like them, but I did like the Ariel, which is why they brought it back. It's very aquatic. It's just beautiful. This was the one that everybody was all about. So I'm excited that they brought this one back and didn't make like a whole new scent. I'm glad. A whole new scent, a whole new world. Okay, so now we're talking jasmine. You know what? I think the jasmine was good too. I didn't like this. What was it? The Cinderella. It was floral. Not my thing. But I did like the jasmine. Was there a jasmine? No, it was Mulan. I think it was Mulan that I liked. Okay, I stand corrected. Anyway, this one was popular, so we're going to re-smell it. Everybody's probably going, what the hell are you talking about, Vicki? Just bear with me. Bear with me. This is how my brain works. I mean, this is how it goes. Okay, so as soon as I opened it, I can smell it. It's beautiful. It's very aquatic. It says, let's see, true love awaits, so give chase and follow your heart across oceans of emerald water, crisp green apple, and blue hibiscus. This is a beautiful scent. And these are not my kind of scents, but I think it would be really pretty in my bathroom. That's probably where I'm going to be putting it. It's very pretty. So it has some floral aspects to it, but it has the green apple and it has that aquatic note, emerald water, whatever that is. But it's pretty. It's really pretty. This is a great scent, you guys. Even if you're like, I don't want the Little Mermaid, but you like fresh, clean, aquatic scents, still get this bar. All right? You don't have to like the Little Mermaid. I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't, but you don't have to get this bar. This is a fantastic, fresh, clean kind of bar. All right, so now, first of all, this box. Like, it's such a gift, right? Like, if you give a gift like this, like, wow. Wow, wow, wow. But wait till you see this warmer. I'm so excited. I have wanted it for a long time. So I'm super excited to now have my very own for my future grandbabies. If you follow me, you know I buy all the buddies and everything because one day I'm going to have grandbabies. And those grandbabies are going to have all the good stuff. Oh, so it says Under the Sea. And it has the little castle. All right. Paperwork. I don't care about paperwork. All right, so let's see the dish. I'm guessing it's, oh yeah, it's the color of the warmer. Oh, I didn't even know this. Oh my God, Sebastian's in the dish. What? Look at him being all cheeky. He's like, how you doing? Oh my God, the lips on Sebastian always crack me up. He is so cute. So stinking cute. I can't wait to, I'm going to be putting this on my, I think it's going to go up on that shelf. I don't know, we'll see. But it's definitely going to be coming out of the box. So I can put all this stuff back in because it's not going back in the box. No. No, it's not. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. Holy mackerel. All right, you guys. Let me put this box out of the way so we can look at this warmer. This warmer is everything. Okay, so it's a 25-watt bulb. So we're going to go ahead and open up the bulb. All right. All right. All right, let's take the bag off. Oh, it's pretty. Wait till you see. Wait till you see. All right. Okay. So, look at how it's like, it's like the sea. Okay? Look at that. Are you kidding me? All the way around. Gorgeous. See, right there you can really see how it's like beveled, you know? Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I love the color. Okay, so we're going to screw the light bulb in. Okay. Then we are going to undo the cord so we can plug her in. I want to see Sebastian. I'm excited for that. Oh my gosh. So stinking cute. So cute. I'm going to be replacing that warmer with this warmer. That was the plan. That's been the plan all along. All right, so I'm going to plug her in. All right. Let's put the dish on. All right. Are we ready? We ready? Okay. 1, 2, and 3. You guys, that's just spectacular. That's spectacular. And you can see on my shirt, and I can see it reflecting where it looks like under the sea. It looks like under the sea. All right, so now let's take a look at Sebastian being cheeky. Look at how cute that is. Isn't that adorbs? You guys, that is a stunning warmer. That is so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited that they put it in the catalog. You guys, if you're a Disney fan, you gotta get it. You need to get this one. And let me tell you, this scent is phenomenal. You will love this scent if you're a fresh, clean kind of person. But yeah, this is pretty. This is pretty. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.